Welcome to the Biscayne, a place where dreams of a perfect home are realized. Designed with today's families in mind, this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home unfolds in an affordable yet luxurious open floor plan. Step inside to discover the ultimate kitchen. Surrounded by stunning Timberwolf cabinetry and elegant wood laminate flooring, it's an entertainer's dream come true and perfect for the modern woman. The added bonus of a den with a Napoleon fireplace adds a touch of warmth, and the convenience of the built-in entertainment center with its rustic wood barn door make this the ideal place to stay warm and unwind in those cold evenings. This barnwood theme continues in the serene master suite. As we enter the bedroom bathed in natural light, the decor is a blend of modern chic and timeless elegance, with soft, neutral tones and subtle textures creating a peaceful ambience. Moving into the ensuite bathroom, luxury continues to unfold. The barnwood theme and attention to detail make this a private and relaxing retreat, with ample storage. The Biscayne is not just a house, it's a haven for your family, blending functionality with luxury. Visit us today and see how this home can be the setting for your family's cherished memories.